Here now is Faith to Live By with Pastor Barber.
He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Of course, that is Psalm 23 and the middle verses 3 and 4. Welcome to Faith to Live By. I'm Jim Barber. Good to have each and every one of you with us. And Rick and Heidi, they come and they sing, Restore My Soul in the Valley.
Stripped of all